Cabinet IQ is one of the most intriguing emerging brands currently on the market. They provide cabinets and countertops for kitchen remodels. Seems like a relatively simple business, but it is a very sleepy and fragmented industry that they've brought a lot of technology and processes to and have really great numbers to back it up. In their 2023 item 19 earnings claim, they show their original Cedar Park location on the left-hand side doing 3.1 million in gross revenue and nearly 500,000 in adjusted profit after royalties and brand fund fees are included. On the right-hand side, you'll see their Austin location, which in just its second year open did 1.4 million in gross revenue and an adjusted profit of almost 350,000. Again, that's after royalties and brand fund fees. We can save you up to $10,000 exclusively through our Kickstart My Franchise cashback program. Reach out today and I'll talk to you about it more.